Hi, I'm Taylor. I'm a registered dietitian and the wellness advisor at the Lambie, a concierge primary practice in New York City. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Fats have historically gotten a bad rap in the health world. Not all fats are created equal, and today we'll go through the differences of which are the best to cook with and which are best to avoid. Cooking oil is plant, animal, or synthetic liquid fat. It's used in frying, baking, and other types of cooking. It's also used in food preparation and flavoring. Some examples include olive oil, canola oil, peanut oil, sesame oil, and so many more which we'll go through. Even healthy oils can go from good to bad depending on how they're handled. They can oxidize when exposed to heat or light. When they cook to the point where they smoke continuously, aka the smoke point, the fat molecules break down and release inflammatory free radicals. It's important to know which oils to cook at what smoke point so you can select the right oil depending on your recipe. Unsaturated fats, which are liquid at room temperature, are seen to be healthier fats. This is because they have been seen to improve blood cholesterol levels, decrease inflammation, and promote good heart health. Unsaturated fats are predominantly found in food from plants, such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Saturated fats are found in animal-based foods, like beef, pork, poultry, full-fat dairy, eggs, and tropical oils like coconut and palm. These fats are typically solid at room temperature. Some studies show that intake of saturated fats increase risk for heart disease. The Dietary Guidelines of America recommend keeping your saturated fat intake under 10% of your daily calories. Now let's get into butter and lard. Butter is a dairy product made from the fat and protein components of churned cream. Butter contains saturated fats, which should be limited in your overall diet for heart health. Now let's talk about lard. Some tout lard as a healthy animal fat. It's still high in saturated fat, just like butter. So eating a lot of it is not really that good for you. You should consume lard in moderation because it contains more saturated fat than vegetable oils. Cooking and frying is best done with saturated fats like coconut oil, butter, and ghee. That's because they're less likely to break down into harmful oxidized fats, which makes them more stable than refined vegetable oils. Now let's get into partially hydrogenated oils. Food companies started using partially hydrogenated oils over a century ago to reduce food costs and increase shelf life. Food sources of PHOs include margarine, shortening, some baked goods, creamers, and products like Crisco. Partially hydrogenated oils can contain trans fats that can raise cholesterol and result in health complications. In 2015, the FDA deemed partially hydrogenated oils as unsafe and should be largely avoided. Now let's get into corn oil. Corn oil contains some healthy components, like vitamin E and phytosterols, but overall it's not considered a healthy fat. It's highly refined and high in inflammatory omega-6 fats, which should be limited. There are less inflammatory options to corn oil, such as extra virgin olive oil, ghee, and avocado oil. Check out our video, Everything to Know About Cooking Oils, if you want to learn more about the science of oils. Now let's get into monounsaturated fat oils. From a chemical standpoint, monounsaturated fats are simply fat molecules that contain one unsaturated carbon bond. Oils that contain monounsaturated fats are typically liquid at room temperature. These fats can help to reduce cholesterol levels in your blood, which can lower your risk for heart disease and stroke. Now let's get into avocado, sunflower, peanut, and olive oil. Avocado oil is the oil extracted from the green part of the avocado, aka the pulp. It is used in both its raw form and for cooking, noted for its high smoke point. Peanut oil is a common vegetable oil used around the world. It has a high smoke point of 437 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a popular choice for frying foods. Because peanut oil contains a high amount of omega-6 fatty acids, it should be limited in use. These fats tend to lead to inflammation and various health conditions. Plus, if you have a peanut allergy, you should absolutely avoid it. Extra virgin olive oil is made from pure cold-pressed olives, whereas regular olive oil is a blend. It includes both cold-pressed and processed oils. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants, making it a great addition to a nutritious diet. It has also been linked to a long list of benefits and may protect against inflammation, heart disease, and is touted as a powerful ingredient in the well-studied Mediterranean diet. Extra virgin olive oil is made by grinding olives into a paste, then cold pressing to extract the oil. There is no heat involved. The result is an oil that has a forest green color, a grassy, peppery flavor, and a fruity aroma. This is preferred to refined olive oil because it has more nutrients and contains more anti-inflammatory properties. At Haven's Kitchen, we love using high-quality extra virgin olive oil, especially for our kid-friendly sweet potato fritter recipe. You can find the recipe video down below. At Haven's Kitchen, all the recipes are mindfully created, so you don't have to worry about smoke points because we've already chosen the right oil for you. All the recipes use Haven Kitchen sauces that cut the mealtime in half. Plus, they don't contain any preservatives or added sugar. You can use the store locator to find them at a store near you, or shop online at havenskitchen.com. Again, I'm Taylor. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Haven's Kitchen channel. See you next time.